Chapter 43 Indrajit's Last Stand. Indrajit sensed the arrival of intruders. He looked out into the distance and saw the Vanara contingent led by Lakshmana, Hanuman, and, at the forefront, his uncle Vibhishan. The demon prince's ritual was incomplete, but already the power of the Nikumbila Yagnya coursed through his veins, filling him with a fiery rage. He shouted out to his uncle, "Traitor, you are the brother of the king of Lanka, my father's brother. You stand here with these infidels. You have led them here, to this sacred place. You betray kingdom and family." Vibhishan felt the venom in his nephew's words, and he calmly responded, "I warned your father. Though Ravana has many virtues, his evil has long outweighed them. He has slaughtered holy men and seized what was not his. He has treated women with cruelty and violence, taking whomever he fancied by force, until Lord Brahma's curse chained his lust. Still, his arrogance, vanity, and hunger for power continue to bring suffering to all. You, Indrajit, unfortunately, share all of your father's worst attributes. Lakshmana, the Prince of Ayodhya, will now bring an end to your evil." Indrajit, furious, grabbed his bow. The Rakshasa royal guard charged forward, clashing with Hanuman and the brave Vanara warriors, while Lakshmana and Indrajit exchanged divine and demonic astras between them. The battle between the demon prince and the Prince of Ayodhya raged on for hours. For every astra Indrajit released, Lakshmana countered with equal force. The two princes fought through exhaustion, both experiencing grievous wounds, but neither yielding. Then, with a roar, Indrajit vanished into darkness, reappearing moments later on a fearsome chariot. Attacking with the strategic advantage of height, Indrajit launched his attack on both Lakshmana and his uncle Vibhishan. Up till now, Vibhishan had restrained himself, unwilling to raise arms against his own nephew, but Indrajit's attack sent him into a fury. He seized a massive mace and hurled it through the air, striking the chariot with such force that it sent the demon prince crashing to the earth. Indrajit rose and continued his attack. The force of his assault pushed Lakshmana back, but the Prince of Ayodhya steadied himself. Reaching to his quiver, he drew forth another astra. He whispered the sacred mantra, took aim, and released the blazing missile. This time, the astra struck true, and Indrajit, the Prince of Lanka, the one who had defeated the King of the Gods, lay lifeless on the ground. His final downfall brought about by the Indrastra, Lord Indra's astra.
Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.